Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet indulgence with what I believe is the best brand of Amaretto Liqueur available, DaVinci Gourmet Caramel Sauce. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, a dessert enthusiast, or just someone with a sweet tooth, DaVinci Gourmet's caramel sauce is sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Let's take a closer look at what makes this sauce so special. First off, let's talk about quality. DaVinci Gourmet is known for its premium products crafted with only the finest ingredients. This caramel sauce is no exception. Made with real cream, sugar, and a pinch of salt, it delivers a rich, creamy flavor that's simply irresistible. But what really sets DaVinci Gourmet caramel sauce apart is its versatility. From topping off your favorite desserts to mixing into your morning coffee or cocktail, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it's kosher, dairy certified, and free from high fructose corn syrup, so you can indulge with peace of mind. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the taste, value, and versatility of this sauce. Whether you're using it to make homemade lattes, drizzling it over ice cream, or incorporating it into your baking recipes, DaVinci Gourmet Caramel Sauce is sure to impress. So, whether you're a professional barista looking to elevate your coffee game or simply a home chef looking to add a touch of sweetness to your creations, DaVinci Gourmet Caramel Sauce is the perfect choice. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never want to go back to ordinary caramel again. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy indulging.